This 2022 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.